Hello everyone. Good morning, my dear parents and children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy at home. Children, I am also doing good at home. Welcome back to our EVS class. Our today's date is 25th July 2020 and today's day is Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. Children, as you all know, we have completed our chapter number 5, that is Chotu's house. I think Nikita ma'am has took this chapter, okay? Yeah, and workbook I have given. So today I am going to revise this chapter for you all. I am going to read this chapter and also I am going to revise from workbook, okay? Children, so read with me. Take a pencil in your hand and start reading with me. Chapter number 5, Chotu's house. Okay. Children, here in first page, page number 30, some pictures are given. Yes, can you see the pictures? Chotu came to Mumbai for the first time. He has visited Mumbai for the first time. Chotu पहली बार आया है मुंबई में. Okay, you can see this picture. कैसे छोटू देख रहा है, कैसे बैठा है, कैसे सोया है वो. Yes, you can see Chotu. How he is observing everything. Yes, he is doing. Yeah, he is observing each and everything. He has visited Mumbai for the first time. So, study the pictures carefully and answer the following. What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? छोटू ने क्या सोचा जब उसने पाइप को फर्स्ट टाइम देखा? How did Chotu use this pipe? Use the pipe. Into which part did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? अपना घर समझा उसने, है ना? And which part of this house will Chotu like to spend most of his time? Why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? Children, in next page, page number 32, draw a picture of your house in your notebook and color it. You have to draw a picture of your house. आपको assume करना है and you have to draw a picture and you have to color it. Who all live with you in your house? Who all live with you in your house? आपके साथ आपके घर में कौन कौन रहता है? I think you might have written this. Yes? This you have to write in your own. आपके घर में कौन रहता है? Father, mother, you, your siblings, auntie, uncle, grandmother, grandpa, whoever is living with you, you have to write here their names. Chotu divided the pipe into different parts. Write the names of the different parts of your house. यहाँ पे छोटू ने जो जो सोचा है उसने डिवाइड किया है. उसके आपके घर के पार्ट्स, आपके घर के पार्ट्स आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. जैसे कि किचन, बेडरूम, ड्राइंग रूम, स्टोर रूम, बालकनी, गैरेज, हॉल, ऐसे एक्सेट्रा. ओके. How much time in a day do you spend in each part of your house? Is there any part of your house where a particular member of your family spends more time? Is there any part of your house where a particular family member never goes or goes for a short time? You must have seen that some animals also live with us in our houses. Some of these animals live with us because we want them to, while some are there uninvited. Okay. Page number 33. See, here one poem is there. Home sweet home. This boy is assuming everything. Yes, you can see here. You always tell me, mother, the house belongs only to us. But how do I believe that mother, when I know it belongs to many more? Look, mother, how these mice are all playing catch together. And look how these mosquitoes fly. Anyhow, peaceful lies the happy spider. And look, mother, at the lazy lizard, how slowly it crawls to and fro. And look at so many black ants all marching in a row. And look outside in the courtyard, the birds are all pecking about. Just like when my sister and I sometimes fight, quarrel and shout. That is why I say, dear mother, don't think this house is only ours. It's dear to us and all who live here and have been living for many years. Okay. Children, do you know rats have poor eyesight but have excellent sense of smell, touch and taste. Rats को eyesight कम होते हैं, चूहा कम देखते हैं, लेकिन उनका जो स्मेलिंग सेंस, टचिंग और टेस्ट जो होता है वो बहुत ही एक्सेलेंट होता है. ओके, सो दिस पोएम इज रिटन बाय, ट्रांसलेटेड फ्रॉम द हिंदी, बच्चा टोली, भारत ज्ञान विज्ञान समिति. ओके, दिस पोएम होम स्वीट होम, क्या नाम है इसका? होम स्वीट होम. Children, here draw any two picture of animals that live in your house uninvited. Write their names below the picture. यहाँ पे 2 uninvited guests के आपको पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है और उनके नाम लिखना है. ओके. डू यू कीप योर हाउस क्लीन? हाउ? आप लोग आपके मम्मी पापा के हेल्प करते हो? हाउ यू हेल्प योर मदर? हाउ यू हेल्प योर फादर? आप कैसे आपका घर को क्लीन रखते हो? आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. ओके, इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. हु हेल्प टू कीप योर हाउस क्लीन? कौन कौन आपके सिबलिंग आपके हेल्प करते हैं? वेयर डू यू गो टू फ्रेशन अप इन द मॉर्निंग? आप कहाँ जाते हो सुबह उठ के फ्रेशन होने के लिए? वेयर यू गो, यू हैव टू राइट हियर. वेयर डू यू थ्रो गार्बेज ऑफ योर हाउस? गार्बेज कहाँ फेंकते हो? नेक्स्ट इज द एरिया अराउंड योर हाउस क्लीन? डू यू यूज टॉयलेट इन और अराउंड योर हाउस? हु क्लीन्स इट? हाउ डू you help in keeping it clean? The next is use of toilet. Simi noticed that her friend Billu was getting uncomfortable. He was not talking to her. Simi, Billu, what happened? You look so dull. So Billu, I don't know how to use the toilet properly. Hina ma'am would be on her round and again she would scold me as usual for not using the toilet properly. Simi, why don't you use the toilet properly then? Billu, I'm scared that I would fall in the toilet pit. बिल्लू बोलता है आई एम स्कैर्ड, मुझे डर लगता है मैं टॉयलेट में ना गिर जाऊं. सिमी बोलती हाउ स्टूपिड, आई नो and now I know it is you and many of our friends like you who make our toilet so dirty by not using the toilet properly. Don't be scared, be responsible. Let us see how to be responsible. Use the toilet by sitting properly. Always flush it with water after use. Wash yourself properly. Wash your hands thoroughly. Yes children, यहाँ पे सिमी और बिल्लू का डिस्कशन चल रहा है. व्हाट बिल्लू इज आस्किंग. सिमी पूछ रही है बिल्लू को व्हाई यू आर सो डल, आप डल क्यों लग रहे हो? तो बिल्लू बोलता है मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है, हीरा मैम वापस ना आ जाए राउंड्स के लिए और वो मुझे चिल्लाएंगे क्योंकि मैंने टॉयलेट वो अच्छे से यूज़ नहीं किया, प्रॉपरली यूज़ नहीं किया है. तो सिमी बोलती है क्यों नहीं यूज़ किया आपने टॉयलेट को? तो वो बोलता है मुझे डर लगता है अगर मैं बैठूंगा तो मैं उसके अंदर गिर जाऊंगा. तो सिमी बोलती है उसको हाउ स्टूपिड, कुछ भी बोलते हो, ऐसे कैसे आप गिर जाओगे, आप ऐसे नहीं गिरते, डरना नहीं है, रिस्पॉन्सिबल बनो और उसको प्रॉपरली यूज़ करो, अच्छे से बैठो, फ्लश करो, आपका आने के बाद आपका हाथ धो. यस, वॉश योर सेल्फ प्रॉपरली, आप खुद अच्छे से अपने आप को भी साफ करो और आपका हैंड्स भी अच्छे से साफ करो. और यू शुड नॉट बी स्कैर्ड. ओके, क्लीन द टॉयलेट as clean as you want it for yourself. Okay, आपको एकदम properly clean करना है. Did you know for Gandhiji's 150th birthday, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched. It is to help us realize that cleanliness is everyone's duty and responsibility. Cleanliness is everyone's duty and responsibility. गांधी जी के 150th बर्थडे पे स्वच्छ भारत अभियान लॉन्च किया गया था और इससे हमको ये बताया गया है, ये लॉन्च करने के इनका ये था उनका एम कि क्लीननेस जो है इज़ एवरीवन्स ड्यूटी और सबका अपना खुद का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, अपन खुद को साफ रखना और अपने सराउंडिंग को साफ रखना. ओके, यू शुड नॉट डिपेंड ऑन अदर्स, यू शुड क्लीन योर सेल्फ. ओके, जो भी है आपको खुद को भी और अपने सराउंडिंग को भी क्लीन रखना है. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, या and thereafter describe the toilet area in school. This I think No need. So from workbook I have done Chotu's house. We have given fill in the blanks. You have written from help box. We all need a house to live in. Home is a place where family lives together. A house protects us from heat, cold and rain. Some animals also live with us in our houses. We should keep our house neat and clean. A house has many parts. Here, question and answers. Why do we need a house? We need a house to live safely. We need a house to live safely. When does a house become a home? A house become a home when all family members live together. When all family members live together. Into how many different parts your house has been divided? My house has been divided into 9 parts. As I told you that day, आपके घर में जितने parts है घर में आप उतना लिख सकते हो. Okay? Name each part of your house. आपके जो घर में जो है वो आपको लिखना है. ड्राइंग रूम, डाइनिंग रूम, बेडरूम, किचन, बाथरूम, टॉयलेट, स्टोर रूम, बालकनी, गराज, जो भी है आप लिखो. In which part of the house you spend most of your time? I spend most of the time in my living room. मैं अपना ज़्यादातर वक्त अपने लिविंग रूम में स्पेंड करती हूँ या करता हूँ. Okay? Who else live in your house other than your family members? आपके घर में आपको छोड़कर और कौन कौन रहता है? In my house, many uninvited guests also live with us, such as rats, mosquitoes, lizard, ant, cockroaches, houseflies, etc. Okay, children? Now, third exercise is true or false. Animals also make houses to protect themselves. Yes, true. Different parts of the houses are used for the same purpose. No, for different purpose they are. So this is false. A house should be well ventilated. True. Windows should be kept closed to check the entrance of the dust and sunlight. Windows should be false. The house protects us from friends. False again. Match the following. Match the following again. Drawing room for welcoming guests, bedroom for sleeping, storeroom for storing things, kitchen for cooking food, and bathroom. Okay? Each part of the house has different types of object. Encircle the odd one. Drawing room, sofa, center table, bed. So bed is odd one. Bedroom, bed, almirah, gas stove. Gas stove is a odd one. Third one is kitchen, gas stove, shower and almirah. Shower is odd one. Bathroom, bucket, bed and towel holder. So bed is odd one. Sixth one is name the uninvited guests who live in our house. Mosquitoes, ants, housefly, lizards, spider and rats. Okay? How do you get rid of uninvited guests? आप कैसे भगाते हो? We have wire mesh doors and windows. Yes, right. We dump the garbage outside our house. Yes. We spray insecticides and pesticides once in a week. Yes. We welcome these uninvited guests. No. A daily whitewash our house. No. We use a trap to catch mice. Yes. We read newspaper to get rid of them. No. We inform police to get rid of them. No. We keep the dustbin covered so that flies and mosquitoes do not breed. Yes. And last one is name the things you use to decorate your house. I told you to do by yourself. Either I have given that lamp, rangoli, bandhanwar, lighting, decorative pillow and paintings. Okay. If you want, you can write in your own. Okay, children. And in next page, it is given decorate this picture house as you like. यहाँ पे एक पिक्चर दिया हुआ है, आपको आपके पसंद से इसको कलर करना है, आपकी मर्जी से आपको कलर करना है. ओके, इफ़ यू वांट टू डेकोरेट, आपको डेकोरेशन भी आप कर सकते हो. और सेकेंड, होमवर्क इज मेक कलरफुल रंगोली डिज़ाइन. आपको नीचे रंगोली का डिज़ाइन बनाना है एंड यू हैव टू पुट कलर्स. आपको कलरिंग करना है उसमें. ठीक है चिल्ड्रन, दिस 2 होमवर्क, दिस एंड दिस होमवर्क. Okay children, you have to do this by your own. Okay. From Monday we are going to start new chapter, that is food we eat. Okay children, now complete your workbook and as Nikita ma'am told you to write your question answers in notebook. So children, please write the question answers which is in your workbook. You have to write this question answers in notebook. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day children.